Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Civic gas cap. Start by parking on level ground and turning off the engine, then open the fuel door with the release lever or by pressing it. Grip the gas cap and twist counterclockwise until it releases, inspect the rubber seal for cracks, and replace with a new cap by twisting clockwise until it clicks or test. Gather a replacement OEM or quality aftermarket gas cap and a clean rag before starting so you avoid dirt getting in the tank. Use a small flashlight to inspect the filler neck and rubber seal for cracks or debris. If your Civic uses a tethered metal cap or a security screw, have the correct wrench or screwdriver ready and keep gloves on to stay clean and test fit. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your Civic smelling fresh after handling fuel. I find it small, long-lasting, and it clips easily without touching the cap area. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Open the fuel door and remove the old cap by twisting counterclockwise until it pops free. Clean the filler neck and rubber seal with a rag and flashlight to remove debris that could prevent a proper seal. Fit the new cap, tighten clockwise until it clicks or seats firmly, and ensure the fuel door closes properly. Reset any dashboard fuel cap warnings by driving a short distance safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.